Remote-controlled planes are the most fascinating sort of toys you can get. Basically, because they're easy to operate and they are made for people who like exhibiting astonishing tricks in the air. Moreover, they are ideal for people who like flying quickly with their stunning toys. There is a variety of models on the market, however, we chose to fire you up with some of the top-rated cheap radio control airplanes so anyone keen on learning as opposed to flaunting could have access to these toys. Please see the product URL provided below the description. Please follow us on YouTube for new updates. Reviewfindly present Top 5 Best Cheap RC Planes. Let's get started. Number 5. HobbyZone RC Airplane. The Aero Scout from HobbyZone is often slated as the best hobby-grade RC plane for beginners, and we have to agree. There is some basic assembly required, but you do not need any tools, glue, or technical knowledge to put the Aero Scout together. We found the instructions clear and easy to follow, putting the plane together in just a couple of minutes. Safe technology prevents enthusiastic new pilots from overbanking and accidentally sending their new plane into a disastrous spin to the ground. There is also a panic recovery facility that will reset the plane to a level flight without having to figure out how to do it yourself. However, it also allows you to gradually move from beginner to intermediate to advanced flyer as your skills improve. Number 4. E-flite RC Airplane UMX. The E-flite comes fully assembled. Therefore, if you have a transmitter and fully charged battery ready, you can fly this RC airplane straight out of the box. What makes this an especially good choice for teens is that it has an optional safe system. This allows teens new to the hobby to turn the system on and work up through the beginner, intermediate, and advanced modes. Then, if your teen becomes a competent flyer, the safe system can be turned off and the pilot can perform exciting acrobatics. In addition, the E-flite turbo timber has recently been updated with a more powerful motor allowing you to climb out vertically and hover. The landing gear is already in place and designed for multiple takeoffs and landings. In addition, the STOL, short takeoff and landing system means you can fly with minimum runway space. Number 2. Top Race Remote Control Airplane. For younger budding pilots, the Top Race trainer provides 3 channels of control. The 3 channels control the propeller, rudder, and elevator. Plus, there is a 6-axis gyro system that keeps the airplane stable, making it exceptionally easy to fly for young beginners. Also important for graduated learning are the 3 speed control settings. These prevent those who are new to flying a RC plane from going too fast, losing control, and crashing. Not only can a crash be dispiriting, it can also cause expensive damage to your airplane. But fear not. If you or your child do crash, Top Race has an extensive line of spare parts for repairs or upgrades. The spares are affordable and readily available, so you don't have to worry about trying to track down a rare, expensive item. Number 1. CredevZone N7622P RC Airplane 2CH. This affordable remote control plane is a great choice for beginners. There are 2 launch modes, an easy throw toss or takeoff from the ground using the controller. It's also made of a durable plastic to withstand crashes and has a 400 mm wingspan, which is a good size for newbies to handle. The plane comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, each giving roughly 10 minutes of flight time, plus an extra set of propellers.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.